Konnichiwa and welcome to ESG Japan Daily. I'm Ren. Update from Saga Prefecture today. Japan is advancing offshore wind energy technology. Daido Metal Co. has just launched the world's first bearing bench test system specifically for wind turbines, developed solely by a bearing manufacturer. This new system is up and running at their newly built wind turbine technology lab in Takeo City, with support from NIDO's Green Innovation Fund. Why does this matter? Because bearings are the hidden weak point of offshore wind. They're small, but when they fail, the entire turbine grinds to a halt. Maintenance is hard, replacements are expensive, and every breakdown affects operational costs. Daido is developing alternatives to traditional rolling bearings by introducing sliding bearings for wind turbine main shafts. What's the potential benefit? Sliding bearings are easier to maintain, cheaper to replace, and allow turbines to operate longer with fewer interruptions, all of which reduce life cycle costs. The new bench test machine simulates real-world offshore turbine conditions, including surface pressure and rotational speed, for turbine shafts up to 1 meter in diameter. It lets manufacturers pre-test sliding bearing performance without relying on actual wind farms, potentially speeding up adoption and reducing R&D costs. This step is part of Japan's broader push to make offshore wind a mainstay of its renewable power mix by 2050, and to rebuild domestic supply chain strength. Right now, Japan lacks homegrown wind turbine manufacturers, but companies like Daido Metal are contributing with component development. Let's wrap up with today's Reason Q ESG moment. What role do component-level innovations, like sliding bearings, play in achieving national decarbonization targets? Reasoning. Prompt. Think about systems-level economics. Cutting costs at a single point, if repeated across thousands of turbines, could impact the overall cost of green power. Thanks for watching ESG Japan Daily. Subscribe to follow the real transformation of Japan's industries, one innovation at a time. See you tomorrow.